Students, today's class next topic is 12.6.2 registers in parallel. Okay, and this is a circuit diagram. This circuit diagram registers in parallel position. Okay, so R1 connect the x point, one point, x point, and second point connect y point. Okay, in the circuit diagram, and R2 second resistance R2 connect point x, and second point connect y point, and R3 connect first point x and second point y. So this circuit diagram showing resistors in parallel. Okay, and this is key, this is battery, this is voltmeter, and this is ammeter. Okay, so students of act I will teach about activity 12.6. Okay, so let's start. Make a parallel combination xy of three resistors having resistances R1, R2, and R3. Okay, respectively. Connect it with a battery. Okay, this is battery. Okay, and connect plug key and an ammeter as shown in figure 12.10. Okay, also connect a voltmeter in parallel with the combination of resistors. Okay, also connect a voltmeter in parallel with the combination of resistors. This is parallel of resistors. Connect voltmeter. Okay, plug the key and note the ammeter reading. Let the current be I. Okay, so also take the voltmeter reading. It gives the potential difference V across the combination. The potential difference across each resistor is also V. This can be checked by correcting the voltmeter across each individual resistor. Okay, see figure 12.11. You can see 12.11. Okay, and take out the plug from the key, remove the ammeter and voltmeter from the circuit. Insert the ammeter in series with the resistor R1 S1 figure 12.11. Okay. Note the ammeter reading. Okay. And similarly measure the current through R2, R3. Let this I1, I2 respectively. What is the relationship between I1, I2, I3? Between I1, I2, and I3. Okay. Okay, student, take out the plug key, remove the ammeter and voltmeter from the circuit. Insert the ammeter in series with the resistor R1. Okay, you can see this circuit. This circuit voltmeter connect parallel the resistance, and ammeter connect key. Okay, so we can change this. And after the changing circuit diagram, take out the plug from key, remove the ammeter voltmeter from the circuit, and insert the ammeter in series with the resistor. Ammeter series in the resistor is shown R1. Note the ammeter reading. Okay, so note the ammeter reading. Okay, and next similarly measure the current through R1, R2, and R3. Let this be I1, I2, I3 respectively. What is the relationship between I1, I2, and I3? Okay, so from this question, okay, we can go on next process in this topic. Okay, so from this question found in answer, we can go on this topic next process. Okay, it is observed that the total current I is equal to the sum of the separate current through each branch of the combination. Okay, so resistor I flow, R1 flow, I1 current. Okay, resistor I2 flow, I2 current, resistor I3 flow, I3 flow, resistor I3 flow, I3 current. Okay, so student, I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Let RP be the equivalent resistance of the parallel combination of resistors by applying by applying, okay, Ohm's law to the parallel combination of resistor, we have I equal to V upon Rp. On applying Ohm's law to each resistor, we have I1 equal to V upon R1, I2 equal to V upon R2, and I3 equal to V upon R3. So equation number 12.15, 12.16, 12.17, ठीक है. We have V upon Rp equal to V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus R upon V upon R3. Okay, next step, the V is common, okay, and cross the V, okay, this side V, okay. So I 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Thus we may conclude that the reciprocal of the equivalent resistance of a group of resistances join in parallel in equal to the sum of the reciprocals of the individual resistance. Okay. So next is a example 12.8. In the circuit diagram given figure 12.10, suppose the resistors R1, R2, R3 have the values 5 ohm, 10 ohm and 30 ohm. Okay, respectively, which have been connected to a battery 12 volt. Calculate uh, the current through each resistor, B the total current in circuit, and C the total circuit resistance. Okay, solution. R1 equal to 5 ohm, R2 equal to 10 ohm, and R3 equal to 30 ohm. Okay. Potential difference across the battery V equal to 12 volt. Okay, potential difference across the battery V equal to 12 ohm. This is also the potential difference across each of the individual resistor. Therefore, to calculate the current in the resistors, we use Ohm's law. Okay, the current I1 through R1 equal to V upon R1, and I1 equal to 12 volt upon 5 ohm equal to 2.4 ammeter. So student, the current I2 through R2 equal to V upon R2. So I2 equal to 12 volt upon 10 ohm equal to 1.2 ammeter. The current I3 through R3 V upon R3. So I3 equal to 12 volt upon 30 ohm. So 0.44 ammeter. The total current in circuit. Okay. So I equal to I1 plus I2 I3. 2.4 plus 1.2 plus 0.4 ammeter equal to overall 4 ammeter. The total resistance Rp is given by equation 12.10. So 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon 5, 1 plus 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 30 to 1 upon 3. So thus Rp equal to 3 ohm. Okay. I hope understood all of you. Okay, and this is next example, students. This is the same. Okay, you try to solve your notebook example number 12.8 and 12.9, both are same. Okay, so you can try to at your home. Okay, have a nice day. Good day.